All right, we're about 4 miles into the Sandbeach Lake Trail right now. We're at Hunter's Creek, the crossover. You cross this bridge if you want to get to Sandbeach Lake, but we're looking for the Lyric Falls, which is up Hunter's Creek. So we are not going to cross this bridge. This is on the map, a ton of All Trails map, several maps, but there's no sign for the trail. So let's go find this waterfall. Lyric Falls, here we come. Woo! right, that was Lyric Falls. Took about a little over 5 miles to get there. Walked along Hunter's Creek. It's quite the bushwhack. Lots of snow still in the trees. Just kind of pick your own path, but decided to just head south from Lyric Falls and bushwhack for about maybe a quarter mile, about 20 minutes or so through snow and trees, just to get back on the Sandbeach Lake Trail. Overall, I think that was a pretty cool waterfall. We got it in its prime or close to it. Late spring, Rocky Mountain National Park is a great time to see some of these higher elevation waterfalls. Definitely not seen by many people. There were some tracks back there, so it is visited. There is a trail map on most maps, but there's no sign for the turnoff to Lyric Falls. I imagine in about a month or so, the trail back there will be completely dry, if not sooner. But it is great to be back in Rocky Mountain National Park. We got here at 5:15 a.m. No need for reservations in the Wild Basin if you get here that early. The date today is June 7th, 2021. Total hiking distance today, total elevation gain. I'll post a link in the description to the route we took on all trails if you want to follow the same route that we took. If you enjoyed this video, comment, like, subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications of new hikes. But that's gonna be it for me today. Until the next hike, I'm Dave Spates, hiking, adventure, photography.